Hi guys, welcome to my blog. Today we're going to draw 5 animals. Go draw the cat. In the paper. What's this, like that? Maybe. Make eyes.
Okay.
Like you. I want to draw the dog.
The horse. Oh, no, the head first. The head.
Oh, let me
head,
trace
head,
it.
head.
Okay, I forgot. You don't have any eels. I don't have any eels. Ah, look.
Here you go.
I just like ripped the skin. Oh, I look like a quack.
Okay, the horse on the head. Okay, next.
Does it look like a? I don't know. It looks like. It's a horse.
Careful, careful.
Ah!
The tail of the horse. Put the tail.
He's not this.
The tail
Like,
of the horse.
what's the
Okay,
tail?
put the tail. Put the tail. Okay. Okay, next.
I think you're gonna see or something. I will draw the pig. Oh, I just moved this.
Go, the head first, head first. Head.
Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Knees, toes. Eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, knees, and toes.
Nice.
Oh! His eyes.
Okay, next.
It don't look like old grandpa. But he's not old grandpa. He's eating some grass.
Okay, the tail. Give the tail. The tail first. Next to the cow tail.
Huh?
The cow tail. Go put the tail.
Cow?
Oh, cow. Yeah, that's a cow.
What cow?
This one.
Oh, I don't think it's a cow. Maybe it's a seed.
Okay, next.
What was
Head.
Head, shoulder, knees, and toes again. Eyes, and ears, and mouth, nose. Oh, this is a tail, baby.
Yeah, put the tail. Tail.
Tail?
Okay, I'm done.
Oh. I'm done. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Be happy.